Hot press has 500 ton, 600 ton, 800 ton, 1000 ton, 1200 ton, 10 layer, 12 layers, 15 layers, 20 layers, etc. Cold press max opening can be 1800 mm. Pressure can be 400 ton, 500 ton, 600 ton. Glue spreader has 4 feet and 8 feet. Single side and double sides. Plywood veneer paving line can be 18 meter, 24 meter, 30 meter, 36 meter. Plywood saw machine can be 4 by 8 feet, 3 by 6 feet, or customized. Controlled by infrared ray. High efficiency. Plywood sanding machine has light type and heavy type. Can be 1 head, 2 heads, 3 heads. Can calibrating thickness accurate and polishing surface bright and smooth.